Well, my water filter started making this whistling noise, and I mean, it was coming right out of this hole right here, and just driving me nuts, basically. The whole house nuts. It's whistling noise, and it was getting worse and worse and worse and worse. So I went down here and I changed the filters just to make sure, because they were getting close to the 6-month mark, and then I went ahead and cleaned out the drain to make sure it wasn't clogged or anything. So I disconnected that, poked it through, cleaned out the pipe, made sure the pipe was all clear all the way back up to the top. And still to no avail, the whistling kept on going on. So I finally looked it up on the internet, and they were saying to basically either replace the whole assembly. I just put this thing in 2 years ago, telling me to replace the whole faucet assembly, including all the lines and all the stuff that comes out of there up top there. And I was like, this is not good. This is not good at all. And they just say it's due to calcium buildup and stuff like that. That this whistling is basically a relief so that the drain can drain, and meaning it's starting to clog up. So another recommendation was basically to take the unit completely out, which this thing is a pain in the butt to put in, I'll be honest with you, and then soak it in CLR, or basically put CLR in the hole. Well, I didn't like the idea of CLR at all. It's a good product, and it cleans coffee pots and stuff like that, and it's good, but that's just not what I wanted to deal with. I wanted to deal with something that's not going to damage plastic components and stuff in there. So I decided to try the WD-40 Specialist Rust Release Penetrant spray, and I shot it in the hole. Right here, let me show you the little hole there. I sprayed it in the hole twice, and it started calming down a little. And then probably about an hour later, it started coming back a little louder. Well, but it was a lot better than it was. It gurgled, and then it was like it ate something bad, and then it calmed down. And then I did it 2 more big squirts in there, and it stopped. And as you can see now, I can run this sucker. There's no noise out of this thing. So, I mean, it's up to you. It works for me. Okay, I'm gonna say that works for me, and that's all I can say, and that's how I cured the problem. So good luck, God bless, works for me.